You have only 5 minutes left in your presentation. Okay? Whenever you're ready, 시작하세요.
Ayan, rinig. Rinig po. Rinig. Good, good afternoon, everyone, and we are the group 2. And I am Agiri Songsengnin, together with Lazada Songsengnim and Tungkol Songsengnim. And our topic is about self-introduction. Next slide. Before we start, let's go for the learning objective or HAPS. First is to recognize and state different nationalities and occupation using appropriate vocabulary. Next, introduce themselves using basic self-introduction expression, including their name, nationality, and occupation. Lastly, use polite form of conjugation, EAO or YEO, and topic markers, nun and un in the sentence. Let's call teacher Althea for our activity.
Am I visible? All right. So first, we're going to start in the Quantil, means conversation one. I'm going to show this video to you, and I want you to observe or listen. And after that, we're going to know what this video is all about. So let's play the video.
여러분, 안녕하세요. 자기소개를 하세요. 안녕하세요. 저는 나트예요. 태국 사람이에요. 학생이에요. 만나서 반가워요.
All right. So, what do you think the video is all about? Good. So the video is a conversation between the Songsangnim, means the teacher, and the Haksang, means the student. And in this part, the Haksang is introducing herself. So to better know about the conversation, let's read this sentence. The first sentence, it said here that 여러분 안녕하세요. 저기 소개론 하세요. In this sentence, this is the part of the teacher, and she said, "Hello, everyone. Please introduce yourself." So, for the second part, this is the line of the student, and she said, "안녕하세요. 저는 나트예요. 태국 사람이에요. 학생이에요. 만나서 반가워요." So the student said, "Hello, I am Nat. I'm Thai. I'm a student. Nice to meet you." So it's in short, this video is all about introducing herself and about getting to know who is the student and how is she going to present herself in her classmates. Okay, so all right, to better understand our discussion for today, Teacher Sheldon will discuss our topic for today.
So, for the chapter lesson, let's go for the dialogue. 대화일. Next slide.
안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요?
안녕하세요. 저는 수아예요.
반갑습니다. 저는 데니예요. 베트남 사람이에요.
네, 저도 필리핀 사람이에요.
So, what do you think is what do you think kung ano yung pinag-uusapan nila? 맞아요. This people is talking about self-introduction and their nationalities. So next slide, let's see the dialogue. So is the first one is 안녕하세요, 이름이 뭐예요? 안녕하세요, 이름이 뭐예요? It means hello. What is your name? So for the next line, they said 안녕하세요. 저는 수아예요. It means hello. I am Suwa. So for the third line, is they said 반갑습니다. 저는 Dan이에요. Vietnam 사람이에요. It means nice to meet you. I am Dan. I am Vietnamese. So for the last line, 네, 저도 필리핀 사람이요. It means yes, I am Filipino. So this dialogue is talking about the nationalities and self-introduction of two people. So let's go for the next slide. Vocabulary. For the first one is who wants to read? 네, 축국 사람. When you read this, it says 중국 사람, 중국 사람. So next, who wants to read? 맞아요, 맞아요. When you read this, you will say 일본 사람, 일본 사람. Next, third bullet. Who wants to read? 네, 맞아요, 맞아요. It means 한국 사람, 한국 사람. For the fourth bullet, who wants to read? 네, 맞아요. 베트남 사람, 베트남 사람. So for the fifth bullet, who wants to read? 네, 몽골 사람, 몽골 사람. For the sixth bullet, who wants to read? 네, 태국 사람, 태국 사람. For the last bullet, who wants to read? 네, it's Philippines, Philippine saram, Philippine saram. So to further elaborate this one, let's go for the next slide. So when you read this, on this upper part, it's the country of it's the country. And sa baba, ito yung you're talking about the person or the nationality. So sa upper part, and binabasa siya as Jungkook. Jungkook. It means China. Pero pag sinama yung saram, it means you will read it as Jungkook saram. Jungkook saram. It means Chinese. Chinese nationality. Jungkook saram. Next. So sa taas naman, so for this next slide, when you read this, the upper word, it's Ilbon. Ilbon. It means Japan. Japan. It's a country, Japan. Pero pag dinugtungan ng saram, when you read this, it's Ilbon saram. Ilbon saram. It means Japanese. Japanese. Japanese nationality. Ilbon saram. Okay, next. For the next. Yan. So, marami sa inyo nakakaalam ng flag na to. So dito sa upper part, you will read this as Hankook. Hankook. It means Korea in the country. But when you connect the saram, you will read this as Hankook Saram. Hankook Saram. The nationality is Hankook Saram. Next. So for the upper part naman is when you read this, it's Betunam Saram. Betunam. It means Vietnam. Betunam. Vietnam sa upper part. Then, when you connect the saram, it will read as Vietnamese or Betunam Saram. Betunam Saram or Vietnamese nationality. Next. Next naman is sa upper part, you will read this as Mongol. Mongol. So, hindi siya naiiba sa kung ano yung mas madali siyang i-pronounce kaysa sa ibang country or nationality na binanggit kanina. So, in this part, you will say Mongol. Mongol. But when you connect the saram, it reads as Mongol Saram. Mongol Saram. It means Mongolian nationality. Mongolian nationality. Next. Next naman, so sa upper part, you will read this as Taeku. Taeku means Thailand. Taeku. But when you connect the saram, so sa lower part, you will read this as Taeku Saram. Taeku Saram. It means Thai. Thai. So next slide. So, marami naman sa inyo familiar dito kasi we are Filipino. So, sa upper part, you will read this as Philippine. Philippine. Upper part. Then, when you connect the saram, it reads as Philippine Saram. Philippine Saram. So, ganun pala tawagin yung nationalities natin in Korean version. So, next. Let's talk about grammar 1 or Munbok-il. Munbok-il. Next slide. So, dito sa slide na to it talks about the grammar on how to use the yeyo or iyeyo. So, on this upper line, sinasabi dito, Chenen, Maria Yeyo. Maria Yeyo. It means, I am Maria. So, sa upper part, kung makikita nyo, sa first line, ang sabi ko, Chenen Maria Yeyo. So, ginagamit ang word na Yeyo kapag ang last letter ay vowel, which is Maria Yeyo. Maria Yeyo. So again, gagamitin ang word na Yeyo kapag ang last letter ng name ay nagtatapos sa vowels. So for the next line is it reads as Philippine Sarameo. Philippine Sarameo. So sa nationality, ginagamit ang EAO kapag ang last letter ng word nagtatapos sa vowel. So, you will read this as Philippine 사람이에요. Philippine 사람이에요. So when you read all of this, it's 저는 마리아예요. Philippine 사람이에요. Ibig sabihin, I am Maria, I am Philippine. Next. So for the next slide, dito naman, sa first line, sinasabi dito, 저는 지민이에요. 지민이에요. So kung mapapansin nyo, ang name is Jimmy. So ginagamit ang iyeyo. Iyeyo. So when you read this first line, 저는 지민이에요. It means I am Jimmy. I am Jimmy. So for the next line, you will read this as 한국 사람이에요. 한국 사람이에요. It means I am Korean. So next slide. So for this last grammar, it's so the first line it reads as 저는 핌이에요. 핌이에요. So it means I am Pim. So sa next slide, it reads it as 태국 사람이에요. 태국 사람이에요. So next slide. So for this one, again, gagamitin ang word na iyeyo kapag ang last letter ng word is consonant. Like for this one, 한국 사람이에요. For the first line, 한국 사람이에요. So, and then the second line, 학생이에요, or I am student. So, next, dito, ginagamit ang word na yeyo kapag ang last letter ay after vowels. So, the first line would read as Yukishi yeyo, Yukishi yeyo. So, the last letter is vowels. Kaya ginagamit ang word Yukishi yeyo. It means I am Yuki. Then sa next line naman is it reads as Uisa yeyo. Uisa yeyo. It means I am doctor. So, naintindihan ba class? Okay. So next, let's go to consult or practice. Consult or practice. Next slide. So for this one, conversation is nagtatanong si Maria. It means when you read the first line, it's Maria 씨는 필리핀 사람이에요. Maria 씨는 필리핀 사람이요. It means, is Maria Filipino? Is Maria Filipino? Then, the grammar says, kita niyo naman dito is Philippine. So, you will respond as, ne, Philippine 사람이요. Ne, Philippine 사람이요. Or, yes, yes, she is or I am Filipino. So, next slide. For the next slide, so first line, it's Jimin she 한국 사람이에요. So, ang tanong dito is Jimin is Korean? Is Jimin is Korean? So, ang response dito is ne. When you say ne, you are agreeing or saying yes. Ne, 한국 사람이에요. So, ang response dito is yes, he is Korean. So, next slide. For the last practice. So, sa first line, you will read this as Kim 씨는 한국 사람이요. It means, is Kim Korean? Is Kim is Korean? Kim 씨는 한국 사람이에요. So, since ang tanong dito, when you say Hankook, it's Korea, di ba? So, ang flag dito is nakalagay is Thailand. So, ang response dito, Aniyo. When you say Aniyo, it's no. It's no in Korea. So, Ang response dito sa Pim Shi는 Hankook Saramiyo or is Pim Korean, you will say Aniyo, Taeguk Saramiyo. Taeguk Saramiyo. Or it means no, he is Thai. Okay, nagigets pa? Okay, not right. So next slide for our dialogue teacher, let's call teacher Ada.
안녕하세요. So after learning about nationalities, what comes next? So let's listen first with the Dewa I. So let's watch a video so we know ano yung next na discussion natin.
안녕하세요. 저는 민준이에요.
반갑습니다. 저는 유리예요. 직업이 뭐예요?
저는 선생님이에요. 유리 씨는요?
저는 의사예요.
So what was the dialogue about? If you listen carefully earlier, you'll hear 안녕하세요. 저는 민준이에요, which is the man on the left side, meaning hello, I am Minjun, and the girl on the right side respond 반갑습니다. 저는 유리예요. 직업이 뭐예요? Meaning, the girl responded, nice to meet you. I am Yuri. What is your job? And then the boy replied, 저는 선생님이에요. Yuri 씨는요? Meaning, I am a teacher. How about you, Yuri? The girl responded, 저는 의사예요. Meaning, I am a doctor. So the boy on the left side is a teacher, 선생님, and then the girl on the right side is a doctor or 의사. Okay. So we will talk about, so earlier we talked about nationality, and now we will talk about jigo. Jigo. So this one on your screen is pronounced as jigo, or meaning occupation. So on your own pace, you can read this vocabulary. So first is 학생, and second is 선생님. This one, 선생님. A teacher. Why is it 선생님? Why is it spelled like that? So we have this what we call batchim, or the final consonant. So Korean syllables often end with a consonant called a batchim. Batchim. The sound of this batchim can change depending on the initial consonant of the next syllable. So for example, if a syllable is ending in g or k sound, it is followed by a syllable starting with sound. So they often g or k sound often changes to sound. So this one. So do you get it? So 학생 and 선생님. Okay, 학생 and 선생님. 학생 and 선생님. So for the third bullet is 와세원. 와세원. So for the fourth bullet is visa. Visa. And then for the last bullet, this one is 경찰. 경찰. Okay. So let's learn about that. What is 학생, what is 선생님, and what are the vocabularies all about? So 학생, can you pronounce it in your own pace? 학생 meaning a student. Okay, 학생, a student. Next is 선생님. 선생님. 선생님 is a teacher. Next, is wasawon. Wasawon. Sorry. Wasawon is a meaning office work, as you can see in the picture. So next is visa. Visa, meaning, and the picture, doctor. Okay, the girl is dressed as a doctor, meaning visa means doctor. And lastly, 경찰. 경찰, meaning a police officer. So 경찰 means police officer. So did you get it? So next one is 문법. 문법. Let's now practice. Okay, so this line means Sheldon. Sheldon 학생이에요. 네, 저는 학생이에요. Meaning, is Sheldon a student? Yes. So for the second line, yes, I am a student. And for the next one is Ada는 의사예요. Is Ada a doctor? So for the second line is 네, 저는 의사예요. So yes, I am a doctor. So for the last one, Althea는 선생님이에요. Is Althea a teacher? And then for the second line is 네, 저는 선생님이에요. Yes, I am a teacher. So what have you observed? So we have here the n and the n. So we use n when the preceding noun ends in a consonant or the batchim. And we use n when we use that when the preceding noun ends in a vowel. So let's test if you really learned a lot. So let's now go on with teacher Alfreya.
All right. So I hope that you still remember all the terms, the pronunciation, especially the spelling and how. So that's next slide. Next slide po. Sige pa po. Okay. So we're going to have a practice. If you still remember all the terms, especially the spelling. So there's two words here, and I want you to try to choose the correct word for the word na sasabihin ni teacher. So first is 학생 or 학자. So for the first word, 학생, and the second word is 학자. So which one is the correct answer for the word of student in Korean? 학생, or the second one is 학자. Okay? I hope na nakapili na po kayo. Sige, next slide. Okay. So the correct answer is the first one, 학생. Okay. Next slide. Okay. For this one, it's doctor. So for the first word, 의자, and the second word is 의사. Okay. Again, first word is 의자, and the second word is 의사. So which one is the correct answer? Okay, let's get to know the correct answer. Next slide. Okay, the second one, which is 의사. Doctor is 의사. Okay, so for the last, the first word is 선생님. 선생님. And the second word is 선배님. So this is the defining words here is teacher. So which one is the correct? 선생님, or the second one, 선배님. Okay, let's find out. Okay, the first one, 선생님. Okay, so I hope na nakakasunod pa kayo sa mga terms ng ating pinapractice, and especially the pronunciation. So now, let's proceed to the Gukjok, which is the nationality. So here, still the same. I want you to choose which is the correct answer. Then I will give the word and pipili kayo kung ano yung correct answer dito. So for the first, Ibon Sarang. So, this part, sandito yung Ibon Sarang. Okay, I hope na nakapili na kayo. Ibon Sarang. Sige, let's find out. Okay, so the second one, Ibon Sarang. Ibon Sarang means Japanese people. Okay, Japanese people. Next. Okay, Mongol Sarang. Mongol Sarang.
Time's up, teachers. Okay. 감사합니다.